Hello everyone, this is Miss Pooja. Welcome to my channel. Today I am trying to make chemistry more easy subject for all my viewers. Keep watching to end and learn. Today I am going to teach you basic definition of mass. What is mass? Mass measures the quantity of matter. The basic SI unit of mass is the kilogram. It's important to remember that mass is different from weight. Mass always stays the same while weight changes with changes in gravity. Weight. What is weight? Weight is basically the force exerted on mass by gravity. Mixture. Combination of two or more substances is called mixture. When we mix two things together, whatever we get, that is mixture. Physical properties. What is physical properties? It can be measured without changing composition. Like for example, we have water, H2O. When we change into water into ice, like solid form, and then it melts, it becomes liquid, and when we heat it, it becomes steam. Like we are changing it solid to liquid and liquid to steam, but its composition will be the same. Like its composition we have one is hydrogen and oxygen, and H2O will be the same. Chemical properties. What is chemical properties? It can be measured by changing chemical identity. For example, we have element Na, sodium, Cl, chlorine. When we mix them together, sodium plus chlorine, it becomes NaCl, sodium chloride. Element. An element is a pure chemical substance that contains one kind of atom only. For example, carbon. Classification of element. Element is classified into three types: metal, non-metal, metallites. Metals: lustrous, sonorous, malleable, ductile, conductor of heat, conductor of electricity, mostly solid except for mercury, high density. Now we have non-metals. Non-lustrous. The best example is wood and coal. Wood contain carbon, coal contain carbon. Non-sonorous. They do not produce any sort of ringing sound like how metals produce. They make a dull sound. Non-malleable, non-ductile. They are brittle. They break or shatter when hammered. Poor conductor of heat, poor conductor of electricity. It's solid. It has low density as compared to metals. They have low density and will melt at low temperature because the bonding between their molecules are generally weak. They have less force of attraction. Now we have metallites. What is metallites? Some elements are difficult to categorize as a metal or a non-metal because they have properties of each. These elements are called metallites. It can be shiny or dull, non-malleable, non-ductile, moderate conductor of heat, moderate conductor of electricity, gases, volatile liquid, solid. And when we talk about density, its density lower than nearby metals but higher than nearby non-metals.